Hi and welcome to our Linux commands tutorial. In this video, we'll talk about searching commands. Searching commands in Linux are powerful tools that help users locate files, directories, and content within files. These commands are invaluable for system administrators, developers, and users who need to efficiently navigate and find information within the file system. Here are some commonly used searching commands in Linux. 1. grep pattern file. Search for a pattern in the file. Example. grep example myfile.txt. In this example, grep is the command. Example is the pattern you're searching for. This can be a simple string or a more complex regular expression. Myfile.txt is the name of the file in which you want to search for the pattern. This command will display all the lines in myfile.txt that contain the word example. 2. grep our pattern dir. Search recursively for patterns in the dir. Example. grep our example /path/ to /directory. In this example, grep is the command. R specifies a recursive search. Example is the pattern you're searching for. /path/ to /directory is the directory in which you want to start the search. This command will search for the pattern example in all files within the specified directory and its subdirectories. 3. Command, grep pattern. Search pattern in the output of a command. Example. lsl, grep file. In this example, lsl is the command to list detailed information about files and directories in the current directory. Is the pipe symbol, connecting the output of lsl to the input of grep. Grep file is the command that searches for lines containing the word file in the output of lsl. This command will list files and directories using lsl, and then grep will filter the output to show only lines containing the word file. 4. pgrep pattern searches for all the named processes that match with the pattern and, by default, return their ID. Example. pgrep Firefox. In this example, pgrep is the command. Firefox is the pattern or criteria for which processes are being searched. This command will print the PIDs of all processes whose names match the pattern Firefox. It's useful when you want to find the IDs of processes associated with a particular application or service. 5. Locate file. It is used to quickly locate files and directories based on a pre-built index of the file system. Example. Locate example.txt. In this example, locate is the command. Example.txt is the name or pattern you're searching for. This command will search the entire file system for any file or directory with the name example.txt and display the paths where matches are found.